Everyone, and welcome back to another video with console hackers. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a common problem that's found on many jailbroken PS3s, but also PS3 that's on official firmware by Sony. So this problem is when you play a game, the game doesn't seem to give any noise, such as Grand Theft Auto or FIFA or sports games and racing games and stuff like that. This is a common problem for jailbroken PS3s, but not so much with official firmware PS3s. So I'm going to be showing you a fix on how to fix it, basically, and to get the noise for your game. So all you guys want to do is head to settings on your PS3, and then you guys want to scroll down to sound settings. And then you want to click on audio output settings. And then at this point, all you guys want to do is click on the output that you're using. So if you're using an HDMI to transfer your sound, you click on HDMI, an optical audio cable if you're using that, or if you're using an AV or SCART or something like that, then you would click on this option. But I'm using an HDMI for now, so let's click on HDMI. And then instead of clicking automatic, as many of you would, you want to click on manual. And then as you can see here, I have my settings. You want to have the same exact settings that I have. So for many of you guys, Dolby Digital 5.1 channel would be on actually. And you want to turn that off, and you want to keep DTS 5.1 channel on. Linear PCM2, but that's automatically on. And same with linear PCM2 channel 48 Hz. So yeah, once you have these settings, you want to go to next, and then press enter. And then if I head into a game as GTA, scrolling down here, press OK. And then as you can see, you're getting the noise from the game. This is Mr. Mod's mod menu. And if you guys are enjoying the video or enjoyed it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the like button. Thanks for watching with Console Hacker.